Hi, I'm Matt and I'm a training executive at Receipt Bank's London office. Today I'll be introducing Receipt Bank and the dedicated ways you can effortlessly upload your financial paperwork to the cloud. So, what is Receipt Bank? It's a platform where you can record and manage all of your business's financial transactions. Whenever you upload pictures of your receipts, invoices, or other financial paperwork, they'll be stored in the cloud where they can be easily processed. And since you've already captured the image and the key document data, your financial records are already complete without having to copy out a handful of old receipts. So let's see this in action. I've just been given this receipt for a company purchase, and I'm not going to put it in my pocket, I'm going to put it in Receipt Bank. Let's open up the Receipt Bank mobile app and quickly take a picture. Now add any details that might help me or my co-workers identify it later, and press submit. And that's all there is to it. I can throw away this piece of paper and get on with my day. I've got peace of mind because that purchase is stored forever in Receipt Bank. I only need to check the mobile app if I need to review or edit information about my purchases. But what if I haven't got a physical copy of the paperwork? Here's an invoice that's been emailed to me. How can I upload this to Receipt Bank? Well, that's easy. Let's forward the email on to my unique @receiptbank.me address. If there's paperwork attached or in the body of the email, it will get extracted by Receipt Bank. And finally, there's the Receipt Bank website. Using my computer, I can log in here to take an in-depth look at all of my previously submitted purchases. Click on the Add Items button at the top of the screen and learn more about the Receipt Bank submission methods. This includes a space where you can drag and drop files directly from your computer, and all of the information you need to get started on the mobile app and email in submission methods. And that's all you need to get started with Receipt Bank. Try logging into the mobile app and the web app and submit your first items today.